Hi, this is Priya. I'm going to show you how to run the demo application I have created for my Spring Security JDBC Authentication tutorial. You can find the tutorial link in the description below. Let us first download the project from the link given in the tutorial. Once the project is downloaded, import it to Eclipse as a Maven project. Next step is to create required tables in MySQL Server and dump some data to begin with. You can make use of the SQL queries I've given in the tutorial. First, create a database and use this database to execute the statements provided in the tutorial. Now we have users table with the details of users such as username and password, and user roles table with the details of roles associated with every user. There is one more change that needs to be done before actually running the project. You have to find the data source configuration in the project and replace it with your MySQL details, such as the URL, username, password. So you got to change this before you actually run the project. You're done with the setup. Now to run the project, right-click the project, click Run as, Maven Build, and provide goals as Clean, Install, Spring Boot, Run. I've used Spring Boot in my application, so all I have to do is do a Maven build and then Spring Boot takes care of everything. First, it converts this whole application into an executable WAR file, and it also has an embedded Tomcat server which picks up the executable WAR file and starts at the default port 8080. The server has started, and to bring up the application, hit localhost 8080 in a browser. You should be now seeing a welcome page which is accessible to all users. Click on the link in the welcome page to access the greeting page. You must now be redirected to the login page because greeting page is protected by Spring Security. So authentication works. Now I'm trying to log in as a non-admin user to see if I can access the greeting page. But I'm redirected to the access denied page as I've logged in as a non-admin user and only admin users are authorized to access the greeting page. Let me try to log in as an admin user and see if I can view the greeting page now. Yes, I can, and it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is just a demonstration video. You can find a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Spring JDBC along with Spring Boot to set up Spring security for an application in the tutorial link given below. So stay subscribed and happy coding.